Okay, so this API will is developed to enable you update the prescription review lines. So what you just need in this API is to provide the data, the IDs of these reviews, and then the actual review date, and then the state or status of this review for each line. So this is the structure of my API. So you can feel free to test this API using this particular link, all right, depending on the base URL. So this is just the API route, and then the payload that is required on this. So coming here, the ID is the ID of the system. Take for instance, I'll come here to use 5, and then I'll use 44 here. So this particular one I'm trying to test out right now. There is no 44 in one of the IDs. So but I have 5, and 5 is not dispensed. So coming to my scripts, I'll provide the dates, and then provide the states in case. And then of course there are some validations for now. I commented it out. So this is just what you need. So if I run this, hopefully this is going to update this particular records. So let us just wait for it. All right. So this is the response. It says success, message successful, but records with ID number, ID not found to update 44. So this is just showing you that this particular record 44 was not found on the system. So it's just telling you that one of the records was updated and then it could not find this particular record. All right, so going back to the system, you could be able to see that this particular 5 has been updated. And I guess when you refresh this, you could be able to see the updates. All right, so coming up, let me pause this for the moment until my system loads. All right, I think it's coming up. Okay, so coming up here, you should be able to see that this particular one has been dispensed. All right, so right here, what you just need to provide on this status is the value open or on. This is just what you need to do. So you can see if it is open, you pass this. If it is done, you can pass this on the state. So that is just this, and I believe this could serve as a documentation for this particular implementation. Thank you very much. Feel free to ask me any question or inbox me. I'll be available to answer you. You can drop